Hello friends, today we will learn A to Z capital cursive handwriting with pictures. So let's A. A for aeroplane. A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E aeroplane. B. B for ball. B-A-L-L ball. C. C for cow. C-O-W cow. D. D for duck. D-U-C-K duck. E. E for elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T elephant. F. F for fish. F-I-S-H fish. G. G for giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E giraffe. H. H for hen. H-E-N hen. I. I for ice cream. I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M ice cream. J. J for joker. J-O-K-E-R joker. K. K for kangaroo. K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O kangaroo. L. L for lotus. L-O-T-U-S lotus. M. N for monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y monkey. N. N for nose. N-O-A-C nose. O. O for orange. O-R-A-N-G-E orange. P. P for peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K peacock. Q. Q for quill. Q-U-I-L-L quill. R. R for rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T rabbit. S. S for swan. S-W-A-N swan. T. T for tiger. T-I-G-E-R tiger. U. U for unicorn. U-N-I-C-O-R-N unicorn. V. V for vulture. V-U-L-T-U-R-E. Vulture. W. W for wolf. W-O-L-F. Wolf. X. X for X-ray. X-R-A-Y. X-ray. Y. Y for yak. Y-A-K. Yak. Z. Z for zero. Z-E-R-O. Zero.